a little cooler, honey. A little cooler.
Yeah, it's been pretty hot.
It's supposed to rain tonight, but it's been...
It's not supposed to rain tonight.
Oh, it's not?
I haven't went by that weather forecast on that phone in months.
Well, that's what I said. It's supposed to rain,
Wrong.
but it's
Said
always
it was
wrong.
gonna rain all day long the other day and didn't rain a bit. So I figured I'd better give these. If I give these guys a drink and fill everything up, then it'll rain. I just want to make sure the dirt in the buckets are well saturated. Because if I just put the water in the troughs, they're only going to suck up all the water. Then the trough will be empty again. So I water the top because it's been dry the past 2 days when it said it was going to rain. I've been holding off on watering anything because they were calling for a lot of rain. So if I put the water in the buckets to saturate the dirt, then I can fill the troughs. See, they're filling the troughs anyway. Just filling the buckets up because it runs right through the bucket. So I can get in there between them. If I can get in between those two, then to be. Now the one I leave full for the bees has got water in it. I really don't like water in this way because of all the chlorine in that in the town water. And to make sure I got at least probably an inch and a half of water on the top of the bucket. It gives it a chance, the roots to suck up some of the water before it all drains down through. Now this trough has got water in it. Tomorrow I'll come out with the rubber bands and put new rubber bands on them.
We didn't look at our pear trees earlier today. We got some pears coming up there.
Got a lot of pears coming on. I gotta cut them off this season. Cut them down to about 8 foot high. Celery is looking good.
Oh yeah.
Rubber bands didn't last long on them. Got to replace them about every 3 or 4 weeks.
You're not throwing them around the ground now.
Yeah, but I still got to water them. So I said this trough already had water in it. Alright. Better to overflow than no water at all. Even this little tomato's good. All this was just a little shoot I had broken off from the other tomatoes. I just stuck it in the dirt. On them jet stars. That pea's got a lot of blossoms on them.
Well, you're making the plants happy, the bees happy, the birds happy.
Well, the bees are happy because that trough behind it and it has nothing in it, and I always keep it full of water for the bees. I was more worried about my cucumbers starting to yellow up a little bit. They'll green up again probably tonight.
Smells good.
Okay. That's the only one left to put a little bit in the trough.
Oops, somebody found something over here. Milkweed. We're getting monarch butterflies too here. Yay!
It's coming down out of the buckets and
That's okay.
overflowing the trough, which is good. At least it's being done. Now maybe my cukes will get a little more size to them. Alright, I think that was all I had to do for tonight. I wanted to wait till the sun went down so it was a lot cooler. Plants will take the water better, less wilting. Tomorrow I'll come out with some rubber bands and tie the celery back up. That'll be ready to harvest in probably a couple weeks.
Oh yeah, be good.
We'll chop that up and dry it up for our soups for the winter.
Look at the hostas in bloom. We got a whole bunch on the other